Need to perform everyday calculations on your Windows PC. The standard mode in Windows Calculator is perfect for basic math like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentages, and square roots. In this guide, I'll show you how to use standard mode in Windows Calculator in 2026. First, click the Start menu, search for Calculator, and open the app. If another calculator mode is already selected, don't worry, we'll switch to standard mode next. Click the menu button in the upper left corner and select Standard from the list of available calculator modes. This mode is designed for quick, everyday calculations. Enter numbers using your keyboard or the on-screen buttons. Then use the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division operators to solve your calculation. Press the equals button to see the result instantly. Standard mode also includes useful features such as percentages, square roots, reciprocals, sign changes, decimal points, backspace, and clear functions. These tools make everyday calculations faster and more convenient. Open the History panel to review previous calculations. You can also use the memory buttons to save numbers, recall stored values, add to memory, or clear saved entries whenever needed. For faster calculations, use your keyboard instead of clicking every button. You can also keep the calculator window open while working in other apps, making it easy to perform quick calculations without interrupting your workflow. And that's how to use standard mode in Windows Calculator in 2026. Whether you're calculating expenses, checking percentages, or solving everyday math problems, standard mode provides a simple and reliable tool for daily use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.